May I please, Lordship? May I pray for
Morning.
Morning.
Any listing prayers, please give it to
Lord,
the court master.
Lord,
Huh?
deeply.
It saves the judicial time.
Lord, deeply.
As far as possible, he shall accommodate
Lord,
all the listing.
Lord.
Yes,
With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19, my lord.
yes.
We supposed to file affidavit some extra time maybe.
All right, in item 18 and 19, as prayed for by Mr. S. Datta, learned.
Yes, that
S. Datta, I said. Learned.
respondent, my lord. Contempt case and
Achha, learned
SCPL.
counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contemner with consent from the other side. Relist after 2 weeks to enable on a date so and so to enable the respondent to file affidavit in the matter. Huh?
Hello.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 48, Lordship. In this-
48.
48, Lordship, review petition. In that case, the Lordship, the names of the standing council UGC and forest department have not been shown. And
And item number
48, Lordship.
48. Heard MS M. Dana.
M. Dev.
M.
Dev.
Dave, DV. M. Dave, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. It appears that the names of the learned counsels appearing for the respondent UGC
And forest.
and forest has not been reflected in the cause list. Relist after 2 weeks on a date.
Lordship in Thursday.
No, not possible.
Thursday, Lordship.
After a week on a date to be fixed by the registry reflecting the names of so and so, so and so. In the
Lordship, and one Vijayalakshmi Singh's name has been shown as a counsel for the petitioner. That might be a
No, that cannot be done in this manner. We'll see when the matter is called. Yes, next.
Lordship, I
wrongly.
We'll see when the matter is called, Miss Counsel. Yes.
Lordship, I am praying for listing one rate petition, Lordship, admission next to candidate in my.
Hmm?
Admission for admission candidate. next week.
Listing.
Yes, Lordship.
I said listing. You.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
May I please, the item number 53 kindly pass over for the day.
As prayed for by Mr.
Emerson.
So and so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Relist after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, it is tag matter 9, 10 and 11. Yesterday I have filed an affidavit in opposition, a counter affidavit that was not in the record. So my lord, it may be immediately reopening of the
Have you taken consent from?
appearing for the
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
K.U. Ahmed.
K.U. Ahmed, learned counsel appearing for the respondent.
No, petitioner.
Don't say S, huh? Learned, Mr. So and so submits that he has filed a rejoinder
My lord.
Against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent.
Right.
However, the same is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record. Relist after a week.
My lord, on 13th of October, my lord.
Lordship 13. Lordship 13. This is this.
Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry. Next.
Oblast.
May I please the Lordship? Lordship beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. Kindly password for the day, Lord.
You are for?
A.M. Borbuya.
You are for the petitioner or the respondent?
Petitioner.
As prayed for by MS so and so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
A.M. Borbuya.
A.M. Barbhuya, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, Lord.
One motion, item number 1.
Amalgamation of schools.
Lordship.
I think notice has to go.
Lord.
Yes, so notice 2 weeks. Who is accepting notice? Yes, who is there in this? Is it, Mr. Chiste? Yes, Mr. Upamanyu, are you appearing for anyone?
Lordship, I am for the higher education department.
Because notice is also not yet issued. I'll issue notice.
Yes.
Heard Mr. A. Sharma,
Lordship.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. U. Upamanyu, na?
The
D. Upamanyu, learned standing counsel, secondary education.
No, Lordship. Lordship, matter pertains to secondary education.
Correct. Who is there for secondary education?
Lordship, in the cost list, it is shown as higher education. So,
No, this is secondary education. Anyone? MS,
MS.
लिखे तो नाम to दिया. MS?
PDAS.
PDAS. Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, Assam for respondent numbers 3 to 5. What about 1 and 2?
One, your government will be appeared, your lordship.
Yes, why, Ms. Sharma? One and two
Commissioner
also?
also, government will be appear. I am
One and two.
appearing for
3, 4 and 5.
3, 4 and 5.
That I have missed. That's for you. There is no problem. I've recorded. MSU Sharma,
One and two.
Learned Government Council for respondent number 1 and 2. It appears that notice has not yet been issued in the matter. Let notice be issued. MS so and so except for so and so query by MS so and so extra copies by the within the course of the day.
Lordship.
And relist let the returns be filed by the next date of listing and list after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your lordship, higher education name has been
Let
reflected. in
let the name of the learned councils appearing for the secondary education department Assam be reflected in the cause list by the registry. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged.
There is already some instruction, so you bring it everything, huh?
Yes, sir.
Item 2. Deeply.
Right, Mr. Lordship.
Contempt case,
Yes,
issue notice, returnable 2 weeks, huh? Registered post AD.
yes.
Item 3. May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
The petitioners are appointed.
scale of pay,
My,
minimum scale of pay.
my lord.
Yes,
Your lordship may dispose of it. That's because the cover judgment I have NS, my lord. Your lordship will find at page.
is it, Mr. Chaudhary? Is this case covered?
Lordship, here they are claiming to be educational volunteer. The scheme was abolished in
So you
2000
file your affidavit.
2009. And I think he is claiming as covered is that to dispose of the.
No,
dispose of
are you
the-
filing an affidavit or not?
Lordship may issue notice.
It have heard Mr. S. Alim, learned counsel for the petitioners, also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel,
SSA.
S. No, I think this is elementary.
Elementary is also there, sir.
Okay, Mr.
PK Bora.
PK
Bora.
Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary education department, within bracket respondent number 1. And Mr. B. Chaudhary,
Two,
learned
and-
standing counsel, SSA for respondent numbers 2 and 4. Huh?
3 also.
3 also, 2,
Yeah.
3 and 4. It appears that now Mr. So-and-so submits that this case is covered by the judgment of,
Page 69 may kindly be sir.
by judgment of the division bench,
No, my lord.
by judgment of the page
69.
69. By judgment of the coordinate bench of this court in the case of,
WPC 231.
in page 66 are details to so and so 66 no, huh? 69 231 na WPC in the case of Debojit Nath, huh? In so and so.
Lordship, here the operating party is at.
However,
73.
Mr. B. Chaudhary disputes the said position. Be that as it may, since notice has not been issued till date, let notice be issued. Miss so and so accept Korea, extra copies 2 days, 3 days, and let returns be filed by the next date of listing. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
I am obliged, lordship. Item 4.
4-2 হয়ে গেল নাকি?
May I please, lordship?
Hmm.
May I please, lordship?
Yes,
Petitioner, my lord, is a student of.
you
But
want to
BTech
resume classes
Yes,
in
ma'am.
BTech, in civil engineering, yes? Yes, Mr. Counsel, if your conversations are over, why is the petitioner being not allowed to resume classes? Why is he
Yep.
being stopped from attending classes?
The main grievance is against the Assam Downtown University. Lordship.
Against the,
Assam Downtown University, lordship.
who is appearing?
Lordship notices will have to.
All right, we'll issue notice, and Mr.
S.A. Sikdar, my lord.
S.H. Sikdar, na? Petitioner number diba? And U Upamanyu for D Upamanyu for respondent numbers. Standing council
Higher education.
higher education 3 and 4, and
For respondent number 2 UGC
for UGC
on behalf of.
your name
S now.
And what about one? Government of India? Anyone from Government of India? MSK Fukan, one. Huh? So 1, 2, 3 hoigo. And then issue notice, returnable 3 weeks. Tinjon accept Korea 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 5 to register post AD within 3 days from today.
There is an interim term, my lord,
Inter-
kindly, my lord.
Interim on the next date. Yes.
My lord, observation will be
Give,
given.
It'll come. Extra copies within the course of the day.
Hello, please. Kindly fix a date, my lord, otherwise my classes will miss. my lord.
2 weeks or pisat, bondho khula pisat immediately. Make it 2 weeks, huh? Returnable.
Well-
Or returnable, give a date. Give a date.
Kindly give a date. my lord. My lord, hello, please.
Huh? And on the next date, the interim shall be considered.
Hello, please.
Item 5.
Compassionate.
The matter pertains to compassionate appointment, Your Lordship. So after the expiry of the father of the petitioner, he was an assistant teacher, Your Lordship, in the district of Darang, Your Lordship.
When did the father expire?
23/6/2009, 23/6/1995, Your Lordship.
23,
1995, Your Lordship.
95
1995, Your Lordship.
expire.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then
So then thereafter, Your Lordship, within permissible period time, Your Lordship, on 11/9/1995, filed a representation. 11/9/1995, Your Lordship.
application.
Application before the deputy.
Okay,
inspector.
then
Your Lordship, on 4/3/1996, 16/2/1999, Your Lordship.
4-3.
4/3/1996, Your Lordship, Deputy Inspector of School forwarded the application. Before that.
When did the DLC reject?
DLC not rejected, Your Lordship.
Till now?
No, Lordship. So that point, that around that particular point of time, Your Lordship, DLC was not there, Your Lordship, in the year 1996, Your Lordship.
So,
And
but
that-
why have you come so late?
No, Lordship, I was waiting because you subsequently again, Your Lordship, as per the instruction of the Deputy Commissioner of the Darang District, Your Lordship, second representation was filed on, Your Lordship, 38/2023, Your Lordship. So thereafter it was placed before the DLC, Your Lordship.
Ms. Fukan, you are appearing? You
I'm
take
for it.
instruction. I'm
Yes, Your Lordship.
putting it immediately after the notice,
Yes, Your Lordship.
after the reopening. Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Notice, and you are accepting for all?
No, Your Lordship, I am for respondent number 3 and 4. 1, 2, 4 and 5 I am.
S. Chutia for 1. Take it on Namtu Lula. A.K. Diwan.
A Devan, Lordship.
A.
Double A Devan.
A. Diwan. Yes, MS.S. Chutia for respond numbers? 1, 2, 4 and 5.
Your Lordship, I
And-
am for respondent number 3 and 6. Sorry.
A.
Your Lordship.
Fukan 3 and 6. Notice, returnable date doc after reopening are extra copies within 3 days from today. Relist accordingly.
Republic.
Since the matter relates to compassionate appointment, the respondent shall positively have their instructions and or file their affidavits by the next date of listing.
Republic.
Yes.
The petitioner is the.
Issuance of correct mark statement.
Yes, please. I,
Who is for the respondent? Ms. Barwa. Ms. 1, 2, 3. You will have to obtain instructions and 4 has to be registered post.
my lord, I'll take Dosti also, my lord, otherwise he is about to lose 1 year, my lord.
Yes, we'll have it posted, make it returnable after the opening.
My lord, a date may be.
Yes. Heard Mr.
P. Hazari.
So and so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS.R. Barwa, learned, Bora, learned standing counsel.
Yes.
Standing counsel CBSE. Within bracket respondent 1, 2, 3. Issue notice, returnable date deducts on such and such date and extra copies, registered post AD R4, steps 3 days, relist accordingly.
17 October, no?
Item 8.
Of like.
May I pray for a short date, my lord? He is
17?
about to lose, my lord, 1 academic
Yes,
year.
13 we are reopening
Yes,
after 13, so we are again on 17 that week itself.
my lord.
You want it to be fixed during the vacation?
No, no,
If you are coming, let me know.
no. I'm
Yes.
sorry.
The demand? Area salary, yes.
The petitioners, my lord, are grade 4 workers.
Mr. Sharma, since when your salaries have been withheld?
Since the month of February
This year?
last year, my lord. Now, what had happened is that your lordship may kindly come to page 33 for a moment, my lord. 33 and 35.
30?
33. Your lordship sees a sanction date of 7/3/2025 at page 33.
Yes.
Then, my lord, will kindly come to
Sanction date?
sanction date, my lord. This
The
is the date when which the
Which is the date? The
My lord,
3/20.
the topmost right hand side, my lord. Initially, this was when the grade 4 workers, my lord.
In this page, I can't find one date. Oh, yes.
7/3/2000.
Yes, I got it.
Yes.
Sanction date 7/3/2020.
In fact, 2020, what had happened on that day, the grade 4 workers had come under the state government for payment of their dues. Thereafter, they had been paid and they had been discharging their duties, my lord. Since the month of February 2024, they had not been paid there a single amount, a single penny, my lord. Now, there was a sanction which was accorded for the month of February and March, and thereafter for the month of April till October. Now, the reason we agreed, my lord, is that there was a letter from the Director of Technical Education, Respond number 2, to the respective principals, which stated that unless the grade 4 workers, they sign an undertaking that states that they will not claim regularization of their services, if salaries won't be disbursed. Now, we filed this writ petition challenging that as an interim measure, my lord, that your lordship will kindly see at page 53. Page 53.
Yes.
Page 53 is the letter, my lord, which was, yes, page 53. I apologize, my lord. The page is
53 is the letter to the Director of Technical
education, my lord. Yes,
Which one you want to refer?
my lord, at the point number 4, my lord. Page 53, point number 4. Point number 4 and point number 5.
Yes.
At the end of every financial year, there shall be a mandatory gap of at least 2 years, 2 working days before any such services are renewed in the subsequent financial year. Under no circumstances shall such engagements be constituted as constituting continuous service. 5. A clear and unequivocal undertaking shall be obtained from each such worker to the effect that they shall not claim regularization of their services or seek permanent post at any point in the future on the basis of such engagement.
Yes.
Now, we have challenged this undertaking, my lord. But while we filed the petition, my lord, on 16th, they have been paid their salaries for that period till the month of September.
So they have paid till September.
Yes, my lord. But the issue of non-payment from October last year.
Then let's
Notice will be
issue
issued, my lord.
notice.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Upamanyu, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education, within bracket, respondent numbers
1 and 2.
1 and 2. You are there?
And for 4.
And Mr.
For Accountant General.
Yes, respondent number 4. And Mr. D, right? D. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 4. Respondent number 4.
Accountant general.
Okay, 4. Issue notice, returnable second week reopening on such and such date. Spencer. Where are the respondent names starting? It's
Page 5.
okay, 5. Mr. D. Upamanyu, you're accepting for
1 and 2.
1 and 2 and 3 registered posts
Yes, my lord.
and 4 ticket property, huh? Yes,
Your lordship will kindly observe that pendency shall not be a bar for the authorities to release the other
pendency of the date returnable 3 weeks. Pendency of the instant writ petition shall not be a bar for the authorities
To release the
to
payment.
release the
Salaries.
salaries
Effect from September 2000.
with effect from September 2024.
I'm
Highly
grateful.
honored.
Supplementary is item number 50.
Yes, Mr. Boyshaw.
May it please your lordship. My lord, Yes, sir.
Some similar petition is there.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, we have challenged the impugn order, which is at last page, my lord.
Which is the similar petition where notice has been issued? It says reflected in the last order.
Yes, my lord. 2, 3.
Yes, where is that order?
At the last page, my lord.
It says the learned counsel for the party submit before this court that the petitioner has been filed similar writ petition. What does it mean?
My lord, what happened, my lord? Petitioner had challenged advertisement of APSC, which is at page.
No, but is there a similar petition? Yes.
My lord, in that petition, my lord, we have challenged the.
Where is that petition? Registry is directed to examine. Where is the note, office note? I don't find anything.
That is pending, my lord.
No, but you see, Mr. Bushra, unless the registry put a note because of this judicial order, there is a judicial order saying registry is therefore directed to examine and place this matter before the appropriate bench.
Petition number 2313.
Correct. Please take down. Heard Mr. G. Bushra, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. P.P. Datta, learned counsel for the respondent.
4 and 5.
Respondent number 4 and 5, and Ms. P. Das
For secondary education.
for learned standing counsel secondary education for respondent number
Respondent number
1,
1 and 3.
1, 2, and 3, and MS DECA. R DECA for social empowerment. Respondent number 6. It appears that though this court by order dated 17/9/2025 directed the registry to examine as whether the petitioner has filed similar writ petition being WPC number 2313 of 2025 before this court, and whether the said writ petition is still pending, comma. However, today when the matter is called, there is no such note put before this bench by the registry. Let registry report as what steps have been done in terms of so and so. Relist next week.
My lord, on 24th, the other matter is fixed, my lord. Let it be fixed on 24th. Or my lord, on Monday.
24th ko idea. Relist on. I think ko idea that Mr. G. Bushra submits that the other matter is fixed on so and so. Let this be listed along with that.
May please, your lordship. Not the matter may be passed on for the time being.
Notice
This is item number?
51.
What is this issue?
Notice may be issued, lordship.
What is the issue?
Issue is that, Lord, in this case, Lord, charges were framed against the petitioner, Lord. So,
Charges?
Charges were framed.
Disciplinary proceeding matter.
Suspension, lord.
My lord.
Then notice has to go.
My lord.
Yes, no, Mr. A. Ali and Mr. Deepamanyu for respondent numbers
1 to 5, higher education.
1 to 5, higher education. Notice
6 and-
returnable 3 weeks, 6 and 7 register post ready kori diba. Ekhini extra copies are 3 weeks.
high diploma.
For reference to ministry item number 52.
None appears. None appears. None appears for the parties on call. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Discussion.
Which one?
Before discussion.
Oh, is it? Give. Ruba. None appears for the writ petitioner on call. Anyone for state respondent? Ms. Terangpi had on the last occasion appeared for respondents. State respondents. MS. NM Sharma, learned counsel appears for the state respondents. Stop. It appears that since the matter, since on the on the last two occasion, i.e. 9/9/2025 and 17/9/2025 as well, there were no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Today, the matter was listed in the cause list with the remark for dismissal. Today also, when the matter is called, there is no, and despite the name of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner being reflected in the cause list, there is no appearance, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. That being so, the matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
For admission, item number 12.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord? Matter pertains to my lord, provincialization of service of the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly have a look, my lord. At page number 21, my lord. See is my lord. Dias code, my lord, pertaining to my school, my lord. Where my name reflected at serial number 2, my lord. Annexed 6, page
Mr. Phukan, affidavits and all have been filed.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit, my lord, recently, my lord. Lordship can fix it for hearing, the hearing column. We recently filed in the last week, my lord.
9/9.
9th of September. Lordship will fix it for hearing.
Which prayer, your prayer is at which page?
There is it, my lord. Page number 11, my lord, of the petition.
So you are seeking the setting aside of the provincialization order,
Yes, of private respondent.
which was in favor of the respondent number 6.
Yes, his name was not reflected in the Dias code for the year 2009 and 10.
And what is your legal right by being violated? What is your grievance?
My lord, my grievance is that the basic condition for provincialization of services, my lord.
No, how are you being affected? Who are you?
But I am one of the, my lord, teachers of the school. In fact, I'm the senior most assistant teacher. of
So
the-
you are not provincialized?
No, madam.
So that is what I am asking. So
Yes.
you've been deprived
Yes, that
because of this.
yes, madam.
Okay. So we'll have it for admission hearing then after the reopening. Heard Mr. Jed Hamad, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Phukan, learned counsel for the respondents
Elementary.
in elementary education department, and Mr.
And for respondent number 5, Ahmed as well.
So give your appearance leaves, please. It appears that the pleadings are complete. As parties have agreed, the matter shall be taken up on such and such date, on which date an endeavor shall be made to finally dispose of the writ petition at the admission stage. Give a date.
Deeply.
Yes, next.
Right. Deeply.
13 to 15.
May it please your lordship, can it be taken after some time, lordship?
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, in item 13, Lordship, I have received the record just now.
All right, then he needs
After-
time.
Yes, Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. D. Upamanu, learned standing counsel for the respondent in the health department, to the effect that he has received records in which one?
In item 13, Lordship, 835995 of 2020.
In item 13 or so and so, I so and so delivered petition number 2, and accordingly 6 so and so, comma, relist after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Can it be in the next week, lordship, because some
Next.
urgency is there?
Next.
Item 16.
The last occasion, Director of Elementary Education has paid for time to
Yes,
file affidavit, madam. And that affidavit will be relied upon by the finance department.
yes. Where is Mr. Chalia? Chalia, I think you have said you'll be relying upon the affidavit filed by R3, but R3,
Education Department.
yes,
Director of Elementary.
elementary, I think, no?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, where is your affidavit? Mr. Chalia is also waiting to rely on your affidavit, and your affidavit is not coming.
Yes, I need further more time, my lord. We have.
All right, but you file it by the next date.
Yes.
Matter is pending since 2023.
Mm.
Huh?
My lord.
Last chance. Heard Mr. N. Sharma?
Yes.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
PK Bora, my lord.
P.K. Bora, learned counsel appearing, learned standing counsel?
My lord.
Elementary Education Department for the respondent numbers 1, 3, 4, and 5.
My lord.
Also heard Mr. A. Chalia, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 2. And yes, government MS K. Fukan, learned junior government advocate for the respondent number 6, within bracket the LR. Mr. A elementary, Mr. So and so submits that seeks further 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Stop, the prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. It is needless to be clarified that this is in view of the urgency canvassed before this court, the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing.
Applies.
70.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Elementary education was supposed to.
yes, where is elementary? Yes, how much time? This is also 2023 matter. The same 20 by elementary. You are Mr.
As a Wasi.
So and so for the petitioner and
PK Bora.
PK Bora, Standing Council Elementary, and K. Fukan, Government Council for respondent number 4. Ticket or number DDR, same order.
Applies.
That positive thing also.
Item 20.
May it please your lordship, order dated 27 August may kindly be sent. That's one number 1 and 2, wait for.
3 weeks time.
Yes.
Who is appearing? Mr. Nayak was there last time.
My lord, I am appearing.
Yes,
My lord, we have already filed affidavit for respondent number 4.
that is all right. That submission was made on the last date also. Mr. P, I may read out the order for your benefit, Mr. Dhar.
No, my lord, I have seen that.
So just give me the time, by when are you filing your
My lord,
affidavit, or by now you have an instruction not to file?
No, my lord. In 10 days, we'll file.
As prayed for, Mr. R. Dhar, learned, you're appearing as
Standing council.
Standing Council.
PWD.
PWD assures that the requisite affidavit shall be filed within 10 days from today, in terms of the last order we have. In view of the aforesaid assurance, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
21.
21, I paid for possible for timing, but is confirmed.
But here, I think a reply was supposed to be filed by you. Have you filed? Huh? Have you filed the reply?
Not required.
Huh? Are you sure? Because last time also at the request of petitioner, matter stands passed over. Then
Earlier, we have paid lots for reply, but not required. Because
Yeah,
there-
not
there is a-
required.
because there is a similar order also. So
all right.
I paid for possible for time. Hello, please.
22.
Instructions, I think, was called in this matter.
Supposed to file additional affidavit lordship.
Where is the
But-
petitioner? Yes, Mr. Day, is this your matter? Item?
I'm 38, my lord. I'm item number 38, my lord.
No, this is item 22.
So after vacation lordship, in the meantime, we will file the affidavit lordship. Otherwise, comment received.
None appears for the petitioner on call. MS
David.
R. Devi, Leonard CGC.
CGC.
Leonard CGC submits that she has received the instructions and the same shall be placed by way of an affidavit within a period of 2 weeks within a period of 1 week from today. Released after 2 weeks on a date to be filed.
appearing for 4, 5 and 6 lordship.
MS Bhattacharya Didiba.
Okay.
Item 23.
Heavy lordship. My lord, the petitioner is presently serving in the Assam Rifle, my lord, is deprived from the benefit of MACP 3rd, my lord.
Grant of MACP 3 benefit.
My lord, due to non-communication of these APAR, my lord.
Non-communication of
APAR. ACR APAR, my lord.
Annual performance.
Annual performance appraisal.
non-communication of appraisal report.
Yes, my lord.
It's called annual.
Performance appraisal report.
APAR.
And he was deprived of what?
Benefit of 3rd MACP, my lord. On completion of 30-year service.
Hurt M
MACP.
MACP.
Yes, madam.
Yes, what is the stand?
Malat, we have filed the affidavit, Malat,
Where is paragraph?
paragraph, Malat, we have mentioned in Malat, actually page 65. Malat, page 65 is the Malat annexer, part of the annexer Malat guideline Malat. Para 32. The grading very good has been determined as a benchmark for promotion of all the government employees with a paper 1116 in all respect, in all the reports. Therefore, any grading below very good, the numerical grading below 6 will be rendered as employee ineligible for promotion as well as grant of financial upgradation under MSCP scheme. Now, for the period of 2022, in para 13, we have mentioned Malat. He is
Para?
Para 13 also Malat.
This you have shown me is 32.
32.
32 you have showed that anything below 6 would also be adequately justified.
Yes, but for below very good, but numerical below 6, Malat, they are not entitled for any
Below
promotion.
6 not entitled.
Yes, and now petitioner Malat may come to page number 50, para 13. Where we have mentioned that
Page number 50.
50.
Yes, para 13, yes.
In that paragraph, we have mentioned Malat that a good point is 0.5 and not recommended for promotion. Now petitioner in
Because of his performance.
2022, he got Malat 5 marks. Earlier periods are there, Malat. But now Malat thing is that it is not communicated to him, whether it is communicated or not. Now we have Malat annex Malat may come to page 79. It's a part actually page 70.
70.
79 and 80.
Yes.
In page 79 also Malat may see restricted and there is a name Yashpal, initials is there, initials of the petitioner in the topmost right corner Malat.
Yes. Yashpal.
Initials of the petitioner is there.
Yes.
And
So
below
this proves that it has been communicated.
Malat may see page 24, serial number in below Malat. Overall numerical grading on the basis of weightage so
Yes.
5.
Yes.
Now, Malat, by annexing this, we have stated that we have communicated. Now, they have filed an affidavit in reply.
Yes.
In that point, they have stated that this is the format and they have filled up the form. The petitioner has filled up the form and that subsequent portions has been remarks and reviewing officer. Malat, page 79, actually, the form.
So, Mr. Counsel, what is your stand in the reply?
My lord, kindly see page number 23 of my writ petition.
No, first just tell me this reply because I just wanted this chain to be complete and then I can come back.
Yes,
What is your stand to this that
For
it has been communicated?
procedure for communicate of the ACR is, my lord, APAR or ACR.
Well, that is a procedural thing, but otherwise it has been communicated to you.
No, my lord, it has not been communicated to me.
In which paragraph
For-
in your reply you have said that?
Yeah, my lord, page number 91.
Page number
91, my lord.
91.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph. that
As per 37?
37, yes, my lord.
Yes.
Of ROI 1/2021, the complete procedure is given to how to communicate the APAR
Yes.
to the employee. And the respondent authority has not followed that procedure at all and has given the complete to go by of the said rule which provides 37. The APAR of all persons.
All right, even assuming there has been some procedural lapses
My lord,
in communication,
my lord.
but what you are actually claiming in this writ
That
petition
is-
is that your entitlement to that MACP 3, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Now, how can that be? There can be some lapses, but for your entitlement to that particular financial benefit, you have to have the requisite benchmark,
That,
which appears that you don't have it.
my lord, that.
I am on that, you
my,
see.
my lord, I.
Procedural, I'm not.
I understood.
If you buttress on these procedural violations,
My lord,
I shall accordingly deal with it.
my lord.
But if we leave it aside, you have to have the benchmark to ultimately get this that they have shown that you don't have.
My prayer before your lordship, that benchmark is my adverse entry, and that adverse entry has not been communicated to me. That's why I am deprived from make a representation against the adverse entry. Or this is actually a covered case. I have already annexed the covered judgment in my writ petition, my lord. Every entry, as per Apex Court guideline in the Devdutt, my lord, every entry should be communicated to the.
Look, here it is not that it was not communicated,
Yes, ma'am.
but according to you, not communicated strictly in accordance to the rules.
The format, my lord.
In the format.
In the format.
See, the idea is that you must know. Now, the fact is that there has been a
I have-
communication. No,
I
that
have to-
document, if we see that document, 5 point is given. What more do you want to know? It is given. That page is clear.
Yes, my lord, 5 point has.
I will see the judgment anyway,
My lord.
but you see, just for this is only for my academic.
No, my lord, kindly see page.
I can see 79.
Annexure 3,
And page 79.
One thing there,
That 24. Overall
this is the
numerical
remarks column.
grading. I
they have stated that this is the remarks column,
Is
remark of the
blank.
reviewing authority.
is blank.
From page 79, below portion is remark of the reviewing authority.
Yes.
Officer. So they have stated that he has filled up the form only and put the signature and it was make subsequent. It's like that, Malak.
Remarks of reviewing officer to indicate specifically the difference, if any.
Yes.
So there was no difference.
Yes.
If the official respond upon a member of SC/ST, please indicate. That's why I kept back. Ultimately, 5 is given here.
5 is given, but only that.
Mr. Pathak, you've come to throw some light.
My lord, I think in this case, the distinction is that one thing is that the sign is there, so it appears to be shown, my lord. But then whether shown amounts to communicate in terms of being a specific, my lord, format, that you have to be given a physical copy so that you can like.
He's accepted. His signature is there.
That is not acceptance, my lord. It was shown and
He signed.
he has signed.
Have you said that you have been shown, but you have not been given? This copy is not given to you. These are there on oath.
My lord, case 23, my lord, is otherwise, my lord.
23 is prior to this.
My lord.
You see, these documents.
This is the rule.
You see, 79 came, then your reply come.
Right.
So prior to 79, there was no occasion for you to get into this area.
My lord.
You had taken a stand. No, it was not communicated to me. Now the government comes and says, no, it has been communicated.
It was shown, my lord.
Correct. Now in your reply, that is for you to say with all these explanation, where in your reply you have said that it has been only shown, because this is your signature. You are not disputing your signature. You are only saying in your reply that the procedures have not been followed.
Page 90, I have, my lord.
It only says
right.
page 90, yes, but the petitioner states that the said annexure is the APAR of the petitioner, is not a communication, rather that it is a form, and the petitioner filled up his details up to the column 15 and put his signature on every page, and thereafter the respondent authority. Okay, this is what. Anyway, then we'll admit it and fix it for hearing.
Because this is basically
Heard
when I
Mr.
signed.
V. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K.K. Farashar, learned CGC. The pleadings, it appears the pleadings are complete. It further appears that the matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit no formal notice, as parties are, as the respondents are duly represented. Yes, relist for hearing. When? In the month of November 2025, on any date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 24.
You have those decisions then.
My lord,
You see, that communication has to be something
my lord, it has to be like a actual communication.
correct, because apparently you have taken that stand in your reply. So it has to be.
My lord.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, here I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S.P. Chaudhary for respondent number 2, Lordship. Kindly
Yes.
grant us some time to file the affidavit.
All right. As prayed for by MS.
B. Devi, Lordship.
B. Devi, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent numbers.
2.
Respondent number 2. Relist after 2 weeks to enable the said respondent file return in the matter.
Leo.
Janma, দিগদাৰ পালে কৈ দিবা। Yes, Mr. Borthakur.
The case, your lordship, where the petitioner.
You were supposed to file a reply.
We will not file reply, your lordship.
Who is appearing for the other side?
Lordship, the employment and document training, Lordship, they separate standing council.
Well,
SP does, yes.
Where is he? He's not here.
Otherwise, your lordship, this is a covert case. your
Correct,
lordship.
but where is the respondent?
Lordship. Their name has been shown, your lordship.
If it's a covered case, you find, try and get hold of him. I can
Lord,
take it up after
Lord.
some time.
Lord.
Yes, 25.
Yes, Mr. Hussain.
Yes.
Yes, Ms. Barwa.
Yes, Lordship.
Affidavits are filed.
Yes.
What's the issue? Withdrawal of appointment order.
Yes.
Post of lecturer.
No. Post of constable, my lord.
Constable.
Constable.
Yes.
But what had happened, my lord, the pursuant to the notice dated 2000, issued in the year 2022 for filling up the post of constable under the Central Armed Forces. Then after completion of the all segments of the interview, my lord, the petitioner was provisionally appointed, which is at page 93.
Page?
90.
Yes.
This is the provisional appointment, recruitment of constable in General Industrial Security Forces, provisional offer appointment. Reference your selection to the post of so-and-so, Central Industrial Security Force. You have been provisionally selected for appointment as constable DD in CISF on the following terms and conditions. And one of such condition, my lord, kindly turn page 94, my lord. Next page.
Yes.
That is Roman 15, my lord.
Yes.
Roman 15. You will be subjected to fresh medical examination at the time of reporting to RTC.
You have been medically disqualified or what?
Yes, subsequently. Initially, I was qualified and accordingly appointment was offered. And then
On what ground?
ground, my lord, the sight vision.
Sight.
Yes.
So any medical board had examined?
Medical board has been examined.
And what do, according to them, you do
According
not
to them,
have
I am
the
not qualified.
requisite vision?
Yes.
Yes, then where is your case?
My lord, my case is that since, my lord, 3 months back, the detailed medical examination was done at the time of my
Be-
recruitment process.
Could be, but you see, there could be instances where the vision may have deteriorated since then. Be that as it may, it appears that the page 93 document, this
Yes.
is your this is what document?
Provisional appointment.
Provisional appointment. That is also very clear. You have been provisionally appointed with the condition that you will be subjected to a fresh medical examination. Correct?
But that has given the within a period of 1 year, my lord.
Yes.
But here is a time reporting of RTC. If the validity period of 1 year from the date of fitness to joining service is over, in terms of recruitment medical guidelines issued in so and so.
So,
My only
Ms.
case-
Barwa, what do you have to say?
Within the period he has been examined, my lordship, as per our guideline, lordship, that is on our affidavit. Lordship, and page number 1.
What is the job nature? Constable.
Constable, lordship.
Why don't we have this is your, yes,
Yes. Review also had been done. He
has been done.
Yes, lordship, he may appeal before the review medical
Where is
board.
that?
My lord, that is page 157,
One,
running page, my lord.
157.
157.
This was subsequently done,
It
na?
was subsequently.
Appendix A. You are Mr.
I am
Serial
Mr.
number?
Suman Das, serial number 3.
3. Unfit.
Unfit for CP4. CP4 my lord, near about color blindness.
So then,
But my lord, what had happened, my first case, first leg of argument is that
you see, because it can be an impediment to the job.
if that being so, my lord, is originally that being so.
No, but then 2 boards thereafter have, it is difficult. Or if you are disputing the findings of this board, at best we can ask an independent board, Ms. Barwa.
Yes,
Let the direct.
He has removed from the service lordship, and it was on 24 lordship, no recruitment, and
That's okay.
now, yes,
Yes.
lordship, new recruitment.
That
was
is all right.
from- Yes, lordship. He make appeal before the board, lordship. Already appeal has
But
been conducted.
That is your board,
Yes.
But
no
my lord,
independent board.
but my lord, at the time of filing the appeal, I have examined in the AIMS also and Guwahati Medical College.
Where
That
are
is at
those?
Page 104, my lord.
Page 104.
This is examined in the AIMS Guwahati. And the opinion, my lord,
Hmm.
and certify that he or she is free from defective color vision likely to interfere with the efficiency of his work and found him or possessing good health. Then, my lord, this GMC, next page 103.
Yes.
Last, my lord, last line, color vision normal.
Page?
Page 103, my lord, of my petition.
Page 103 I have got. What about, you said, there is page 103 is there and 104. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. 103 is a GMC.
GMC.
Where is
Last, my lord, last line.
color vision
Color vision
normal?
normal. And even.
All right, you have an independent.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Because there are initial and the first one where you were cleared, where is that?
But that report is not that. After clarifying that detailed
Where do
medical
you get
examination,
that? This
I was appointed.
recruitment? Where do you get that? Anywhere you get that? From the documents, anywhere it says that initially you are found fit.
My lord, just then.
Have you
Go to
said
the-
that in your
To the
paragraph?
advertisement, my lord, page 43.
Page?
43. The procedure,
Have you said that in your? Yes, procedures. Shortlisted candidate will be medically examined by the medical boards.
And this medical examination was as per medical guideline, lordship, as per medical guidelines 2015. And our medical guideline, lordship,
Ms. Barwa, I'm not disposing of right now. I'm
Yes.
just trying to gather the facts. Which is that first, anyway, you please take down. Heard Mr.
R. Islam, my lord.
R. Islam, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS S. Barwa, Learned CGC. The issue pertains. Where is the prayer page?
My lord, prayer page is at page 25, my lord. Start from 24.
The issue arising in the instant writ petition is the rejection of the petitioner's provisional appointment to the post of
Constable, my lord.
constable
Industrial Security Force.
in Central Industrial Security Force pursuant to the recruitment process in question on the ground that he is medically unfit due to lack of requisite eye vision. Mr. So-and-so submits that in the first round of the medical examination conducted by the respondent authorities, he being medically found fit, he was given the provisional appointment by letter dated 22/8/2023, subject of course to fresh medical examination. It is his specific, he further submits that pursuant to his joining, the second, where is that? That rejection?
Well, that rejection is page 96.
The respondent medical board upon reviewing this is the this
Well,
is that verification.
This is when the petitioner joined in the training center, then force him to again go for medical exam.
No, this is that
Yes.
second, isn't it?
This
Where
is the
you've
second.
been unfit.
This is the second.
কি বুলি লিখিলা তন্ময়? He was again medically examined, wherein he was declared unfit due to defective color vision within brackets CP5. He further submits that thereafter an appeal was also preferred before the medical which is this board, the appeal
The review medical board.
before the review medical board, which also after examining him
Page 157.
found him unfit. Stop. He, however, submits that prior to his provisional appointment, as well as when two independent medical authorities have examined him, one by the Guwahati Medical College Hospital on, is the date on
Malata on.
2/3/2024,
Yes, yes.
and the Department of Ophthalmology,
Ophthalmology.
AIMS Guwahati on 6/3/2024, he was declared free from defective color vision likely to interfere with the efficiency of his/her work and found him/her possessing good health. Page 104 by Jabaiti. It appears that contrary reports are available on record as regards the vision of the petitioner. Let an independent medical board be constituted to examine the vision, na?
Yes.
Examine the vision of the petitioner. Stop. Accordingly, I direct yes. You suggest?
CRPF review medical board.
No. Independent. Yes, Mr. Health, anyone here?
can be given to the army also.
Health, who is there from the health here? Standing Council Health. Have Mr. Gogoi or someone. Okay. Episode provided. Will direct probably the superintendent or someone from the medical college to constitute an appropriate board. All right.
Yes, sir.
It is directed that the superintendent of Assam Medical College shall constitute an appropriate medical board in which one special eye specialist shall also be included to examine the so and so, and the petitioner shall accordingly be intimated on the date on which he shall appear before the said board. Relist after 3 weeks. After 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Yeah, operating part to my side, man. A copy of the order shall be given
Yes.
to both of you.
Parts of it.
26 and 27.
Here, your lordship, they have not filed their affidavit.
Yes, are you filing?
I will file, my lord, we need some time.
Heard, as prayed for by Mr.
PK Bora, my lord.
P.K. Bora, Leonard Standing Council, Elementary.
My lord.
Elementary education, relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file return in the matter.
This should be the last.
All right, next.
Briefly apply.
Obliged, my lord.
Please allow me. So, Mr. Asdas will repeat the matter. He
Yes.
just said in court number 5, my lord, after some time.
All right.
Deeply.
Or in this close matter, as per office code dated 16/9/2025, in terms of the court's order dated 8/4/8/9/2025. Another writ petition 482 of 2024, that is in the Itanagar bench, as to
I think now all of them has to be heard here. That is the,
that is the as per
Fine
flag
tuning.
why that matter was called for.
it's all right. Now everything has to be heard here.
Madam.
So we'll have it, now this matters, the pleadings are complete.
Pleadings are
Yes, ma'am.
committed.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes.
Rejoinders have been filed in
Yes,
3
madam.
petitions.
Yes, madam.
There are how many? There are 3 writ petitions.
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Here two writ petitions, but another
No, there are 3 writ petitions today, isn't it?
today, two writ petition, one I.
Oh, one is an I. So another 3rd petition is also there.
Third in Itanagar, madam.
Count for by flag Y, madam,
That has come,
not come. madam.
not come. So we'll have to wait for that then.
Yes,
Madam, that is why after vacation. we-
All right, all right, all right.
my lord, 5th of November will be convenient, my lord.
No,
All
there is a problem there, stay order is operating, that is why.
All right,
specific
Mr.
date may be-
Goswami, all right. Heard, yes, your name?
Tapas Das, my lord.
T?
Das.
Heard Mr. T. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners in both the writ petition as well, and Mr. U. Goswami, Learned Central Government Counsel for the respondent in both.
In the second
In
matter, Mr. R.K. Dev, so that is-
WPC number 4861/2024, and none appears.
No, Lord, I am representing.
So then I'm
Like-
saying both or not.
Both.
So say both for both the for the respondents in both the writ petitions. Stop. It appears that which is the reference of the other writ petition, that WPC 482/2024, which has been called for by this court pursuant to the administrative order dated 15/9/2025, is still awaiting. Relist on such and such date, along with so and so.
If I'll be getting.
Give a date. Yes.
Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged, my lord.
Lord, can it be on 6th? Malad? So-
All right, all right. 6, 5, 7, it's all right.
Hello.
Yes.
Item 31.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, the matter we kindly pass over for the time being, Lordship. Senior on legs.
A lot of matters are getting passed over for the time being today.
My senior is also on legs in court.
All right, we are accommodating
Two, Lordship.
time being.
Okay, oblige, Lord.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
We have received the affidavit tomorrow, Lordship. We need
You'll
to-
file a rejoinder
Yes, Lord.
as prayed for by Mr.
And Ali.
N. Ali,
Oh, yes.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number
1.
1. Sure or not sure? Not sure by the respondent. Huh?
Obliged, Lord.
34.
Yes.
My lord, affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, we have already prepared an affidavit and send it for vetting, Lordship.
All right. Fair enough. As prayed, Mr. C.K.S. Barwa, na?
Yes.
Mr. C.K.S. Barwa, Learned Government Council submits that the affidavit in opposition is ready and the same has been sent for vetting and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to enable the respondent to file the same before this court. Prayer is allowed, relist after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry. It will automatically come after the puja, Mr. Barwa.
Yes, I'm sorry, Lordship.
You want,
No, Lordship.
35.
yes, 35. Then appears for the petitioner on call, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
36 and 37.
Yes.
My lord, there is a development in this case, my lord. One circular, my lord, as per latest judgment passed by this honorable court, my lord, in a group of writ petition, one circular is issued, my lord, and as per this circular, my lord, I have filed that, my lord, along with my lord additional affidavit. That, my lord, in that judgment, my lord, lordship kindly have a look. Here the direction,
Yes, where?
my
Which
lord,
page?
page 65, my lord.
Yes. Abdul Bakshi.
60, yes, my lord. 73, then my lord, page 74, my lord.
Here, this is a compassionate appointment.
Yes, my lord.
So you are covered by that office member. You have challenged the office memorandum.
Yeah, challenge, my lord. And my lord, lordship, page 74.
One second. Yes, you have challenged the office member and you have filed this writ petition is pending since when? When did you file this petition? Because 2 conditions needs to be satisfied before we apply Abdul Bakshi's case in your case.
Yes, my lord.
One is the challenge to the memorandum and the date of challenge.
Yes.
No, this is 26/5. This is after.
My lord,
It's not covered, Lord.
my lord, one thing is there, my lord. Lordship kindly will look page 74, my lord. My another case is pending since
So
that.
that case is different. This case, Mr. Barbhuya, na?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Barbhuya, you filed it on 26/5/25
my-
after Bakshi.
My lord, then my lord, I was rejected once DLC, SLC, my lord. Then I filed, my lord, that second.
Anyway, you rethink about this. I'm fixing it after 1 week.
Lordship,
Otherwise, I'll dismiss it. Your case is not covered by Bakshi. I'm sorry. 2 condition has to be satisfied. It's clearly laid down in Bakshi. Heard Mr. So-and-so as prayed for relist after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry. You look into that aspect.
hereafter also, my lord, judgments are passed.
That's why I'm saying you look after the next date.
Typing item number
Obliged.
21.
Twenty.
21.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, we have filed the affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
This is regarding a promotion, my lord. So the rule has been annexed in our affidavit.
So
my lord.
this is that case Mr. Borthakur was saying there is some covered judgment.
But that is different, my lord. So my lord, it will take some time, my lord. Let it come after puja.
You are saying it is different.
It's different, my lord.
Which is the covered judgment?
Lordship will kindly come to page 45, your lordship. Your lordship, this case was filed by your lordship. We are your lordship instructors, your lordship, of social studies and English, your lordship. And this case was filed by the instructors of mathematics, your lordship.
Different subject.
Subject is
Your subject is social studies
and English, your lordship.
and
Now-
English.
Now your lordship will kindly come to page 48, the code issue.
Yes.
Para 18, your lordship.
Mr. Borthakur, this is not legible. How does the registry pass these papers? I don't know if you
Yes.
you can
Lordship, accent.
I'm sorry, but I don't have those magnifying
Lordship,
eyesight.
Lordship, how registry passed?
It's very shocking. Can I get pass sir? Who has filing? How they have passed this? You wait for some time. I will accommodate. Anyway, order to Likhilo. As prayed for relist after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the Reish. But you note another thing. Don't say as prayed for. Heard Mr. S. Barthakur, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. SP Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent. 2 and 3. Mr. Barthakur submits that the issue involved in the present writ petition is covered by the judgment of coordinate bench. Coordinate bench
in
of this court passed in
WPC, Your Lordship, 3537 of 2012.
Fala in so and so. However, Mr. So and so disputes the same. Relist after so and so. Okay.
May I pray for a date, Your Lordship?
That a perusal of the aforesaid judgment annexed as annexure
Annexure, Your Lordship, is Annexure 5.
in the
writ petition.
writ petition, it appears that that legible copies are not available on file. Let legible copies of the so and so be placed before the registry for doing the needful. Tarps and India. 3 weeks. Not it a better heart. Yes.
Oblige.
But you kindly
I will
furnish
keep
a
meanwhile,
legible copy of that order.
Deeply obliged. Okay.
Item 38.
Mr. Karla, are you there?
Very well, Lord, I'm here.
Mr. Saikya, everything is completed. Has the volumes increased after the last hearing? Huh? Or was it always so bulky? Huh? The judgments have come.
Yes, my lord. That is the reason. After the hearing is over, my lord, I'll separate the pages, my lord, which my lord had requested last time. My lord had requested last time, my lord, to separate the pages, my lord. I will do that, my lord, for it.
Mr. Saikya, only 3, if I recollect, there were just 3 clarification I wanted. I remember you had shown me one particular page to say that the relaxation, how it originated, that date, where do we get that? I could not locate it later on.
It is from
Because if I recollect, the other side was showing some document of 17.
2017.
I think that was the
Yes,
document.
that
they-
document.
where they say this was the recommendation and recognition. They
Yes.
were showing something like that.
Yes, Lord.
But you had shown something more than that. From where you get it that this is a relaxation given.
That amendment, it is one page amendment. One page amendment. That page 53, it is of 2017.
Just 1 second.
Lord.
So what I want to know is the date from which the requirement of this cutoff date originated.
Lord.
All right.
3rd August 2017, page 47.
Page, I'll just first note down, page 47,
Yes,
third.
page 47 of the volume 2,
Okay,
second volume of the convenience
All
company.
right, the date is 3/8.
3/8/2017.
Yes, page 48.
It has to be read with page 53.
But this document was given by them. That's why I said 2017.
Yes.
But I remember you had shown something, another document. You said prior to this. For some reason, I kept thinking you said that. That is why I was trying to locate. Because this say.
Even I have.
Can I just answer that? That my lord will get at page 51.
Just 1 second.
Mm.
Because you see, 47, if I remember, you had said why the training of these untrained
Yes,
teachers
that
is
within 4 years.
correct and why it was important.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, Lord.
This is what you had shown from here. Now, see, because the issue that is going in my head
Yes.
is because you see there is a criteria given in the advertisement, correct?
Lord.
That this is the diploma. Now, inroads have come whereby a certain relaxation which they are saying equivalence.
Lord.
That anyway this court will decide.
Lord.
Now, how do you get that? That from where that has come?
But can I answer it just for?
Yes.
Please see page 51, my lord,
51
of my convenience compilation that my lord are looking at. The amendment was enacted on 10th August 17. Please see 51. The amendment.
9/8/17.
No, yes, on top of that, date is given at page 51, below Ministry of Law and Justice, the date is given.
31/3/15.
Below that, my lord, kindly see below Ministry of Law and Justice, New Delhi, the 10th.
Okay, I've got it. 10/8/17.
So the
All right, this
amendment-
answers the query.
There is another important, that is.
Just 1 sec, just 1 sec. Let me just quickly take note also because so this 10/8/17 came from 51 then.
Came from 51, read with subsection 2 of this because this amendment was enacted on 10th
Maybe
August.
he's right, Mr. Saikia. Just see
No, no,
51.
I have fully agree, but Lordship will kindly see this will come to effect from 1st April 2015.
But
it has given a retrospective. That is why I said 2015. So this act, although enacted in 2017, 9th of August.
Yes, 31st March 2015.
Yes, from that I have said about 2015.
Okay, got it.
And it says that within 4 years from 31st March 15.
And now, Mr. Saikia, next query which I had for you is this
Lordship will kindly
You
see
died.
section 2 also for that, page 51.
Yes, I've read it.
Provided that
I've read
every
it. I've
teacher-
read
Yes.
it. I've
So
read it.
this is the reason.
I've read
That
it.
retrospective effect,
I've
there
read
is no such document of 2015.
I've read it.
Yes, Lordship. And it has been corroborated by subsequent, the consequential
Okay.
order at page 53
Now,
of 21st August.
That UDICE is compulsory for
Yes.
all school. Which is that document?
UDICE is it is in the system from 1995.
Because you showed one document.
I have shown, I'll show further more documents also today. But Lordship, it has found in the statute also. That is what, if Lordship is pleased to take the 2011 Provincialization Act of Assam.
Are we holding the same 5th edition?
Yes, yes.
Give me the page number.
Page number, it is page 651.
651.
It starts from 647.
Yes.
Here, Lordship will see the definition of Venture School at page 651.
Yes, I think some on the last occasion you showed me this.
I have shown it, Lordship, the other document.
Acha.
2006 that regarding private unaided schools.
Okay.
This is regarding all the schools. The venture schools means any unaided schools or any private school which are to be brought to the realm of provincialization. Then this venture schools definition is given here. Ventures ME school including ME Madrasa means upper primary and schools imparting education up to class 8 and established by the people of the locality prior to 1/1/2006, which has received recognition from the competent authority on or before 1/1/2006, captured in the District Information System of Education, that is DICE. Data up to 2009-10 of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, not provincialized under any act. So this is in the system. So for that, we don't have to say that this is mandatory, this is not mandatory. One is permission is mandatory, recognition is mandatory, and the third is that they should be captured under DICE code. In 2012, UDICE was introduced.
2000?
Well,
Where do we get that?
I'll get with the documents. Now, Lordship. will
One
see.
second, I'll just take note of this, huh?
Yes.
Mr. Saika, just one.
So DICE is nothing alien.
Yes, you just have to bear, it's all right. I'm not hearing submissions today.
Yes.
Just this clarification, just point out this only.
Yes.
This is,
So
this is page 651 and you say UDICE was
I'll come to that. I'll give it.
introduced in 2012.
Let me finish this DICE business first.
Yes,
Because this act was in 2016. This act was
2011.
2000. This is a 2011.
Huh.
This act had some flaws which was in conflict with some of the central legislation.
Huh.
And this honorable court, division bench of this honorable court, set aside this act on 23rd September 2016 on those grounds.
Hmm.
And a new act came into force in 2017.
Hmm.
That also
Page
2017, yes. It is in page number, Lordship will find it page number 107.
yes.
So it is 2007 after the earlier act was nullified. Then in this venture schools definition JAD-A, Lordship will get it at page 106 down
Yeah.
below. Next page, the proviso. Provided that the DICE code shall have to be issued on or before 2019 and DICE.
Get B, na? Venture lower.
Yes, Lordship, venture DME school.
Huh?
2017 act.
Oh, sorry, this one.
Yes.
JED A.
JAD-A.
Yes.
So basically the same language and the proviso also Lordship will see. Provided that the DICE code shall have to be issued on or before 2019 and DICE code issued thereafter shall not be considered for the purpose of provincialization of services of any employees of the institution.
Okay.
So DICE code is in the system for long time back. In 2012, the other day I gave the first. You got already this one?
Yes.
So first is
Yes, this you had given me the
yes.
other day.
18 September here, subject implementation of UDICE for 2012-13. So at that point of time, there was a confusion regarding the elementary school and secondary school. So there are two different types of DICE code. So UDICE is the unified DICE code. And thereafter, another notification was issued on 26 September. That was not given through this honorable court. Now I have given here how it has to be done. 26 September 2012. It has been issued by the Assam Sarva Shiksha Abhijan Mission to district mission coordinators, all SSA districts. With reference to the subject cited above, our later reference, it is to inform you that as per the activity list schedule, the state level KRP training on unified DICE 2012-13 survey has been already completed. It is also to be mentioned that from this year onwards, Government of Assam has decided to collect DICE from class 1 to class 12 through collaboration of SSA with RMSA.
All right, Mr. Saika.
And here, Lordship, what is the duty of the schools? Lordship will see. Next
That's
page.
all right. I may not go into
Yeah,
so depth
only
of this.
one line. The DICE code will be observed next page. One day VEC that column D.
In column number
D.
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 Yes.
DICE week will be observed from 8 October 2012 to 15th October. All the head teachers will provide data to the UDICE DCF as per the record available on 30th September 2000 so and so.
All right.
And the principal is duty bound to do that.
All right. Now, the last query was the school management committee. You,
School
I remember
management
you had
committee-
given me that act,
Yeah.
but because if I recollect, there was some provision of 2007 Act or something.
2006 Act,
6 Act. where-
Assam Non-Government
Yeah, correct.
Educational Institution Regulation and Management Act 2006.
That is
Yes,
available in this manual.
yes, Lordship, it is available.
Page.
Tarun Chutia is very prompt in this matter. Section 12,
Page.
87. So what type of schools are covered here? That definition also Lordship will find.
This is Assam non-government educational
Yes,
institution,
it
correct?
covers every school, private schools, where
Page-
there is no aid from the government and no
Page-
provincial
page.
aid.
Hmm.
So section 12,
Section
Constitution
12.
of Management Committee. Every non-government education, have Lordship got it? Okay, section 12.
Just one sec, I'll just. Page. The managing committee is defined as 211.
Yes, Lord.
Institution is 210.
Yes. So that institution covers all the schools which they are trying to say that they were.
Now you want me to go to?
Section 12. So these are mandatory conditions, Lordship. These are not directory conditions.
Yes, 12.
Constitution of Management Committee. Every non-government educational institution shall constitute a managing committee constituting the following personnel. So who are the persons who can be inducted in the committee? It is given there. Next page, powers and function of the management committee, section 13.
Okay, all right.
That is very important, Lordship.
It's all right, Mr. Saikya. I just want, you have already placed all this. It is just that I had
Section 13
not
is-
been able to locate. That
Yes,
is why.
only one line.
Yes.
Powers and function of the management committee. The management committee shall have the control over the appointment of the employees, discipline. So all the teachers, that is why that
No, this
resolution was
is, aware of the role of the managing committee. It
Exactly.
is just that I was not able
exactly.
to
Doctor.
figure it.
That is why when we
It's all
have
right.
given that 6 conditions, one was that the resolution of the management committee, which is in terms of the statute, which
Okay.
governs your functioning. And
I asked for a note. Is that ready?
So I'll need 2 minutes if the Lord would just permit.
I'm not, I think the arguments are complete,
No, no,
Mr.
Lord,
Kalra.
So I understand,
Just
Lord,
a
but there's some.
clarification. Yes, I asked for a note.
And they
Lord,
have
there are at least
government
six-
schools. So
six-
government schools managing committee is covered by the RT Act.
No, I'm sorry, my Lord. There are at least
Government school is section
Section 21 of the RT Act of 2009.
RT. That I think on the last occasion someone had shown.
Yes, Lordship.
Section?
21.
my Lord, may kindly permit me 2 minutes.
Yes. Any note has been prepared, Mr. Chaudhary? You said you'd give me a note today.
Lord, there is one note that we have
After
prepared.
some
for
time.
today. Kindly just have that note, my Lord. We have prepared one note for today.
It's all right. I will have a look at it. I'm closing
Lord.
it.
Just give me
I'm
2
putting
minutes,
on
my Lord.
Tuesday for delivery of judgment.
Just give me 2 minutes, my Lord. Just give me 2
I've
minutes.
heard elaborately all the
Lord,
council.
there are new
Mr.
things that
Council, the hearing cannot go on and go
No, my
on.
Lord, there are some new
Same
things that I wanted
point.
to respond to. There are some new
Yes.
things that I wanted
There's
to
no
respond.
response because there's no further argument. It was just a clarification sought.
No,
Yes,
there's
what do you want to say? 2 minutes.
2 minutes by clock, my Lord. 2 minutes by clock.
Yes.
First, my Lord, the RTE Act, I put in today's note, my Lord would just have that. The RTE Act defines school management committees. It says it is not mandatory for private schools. That's most
All
important.
right.
Number 2, my Lord, the school management committee's functions are defined in the RTE Act. Kindly have that note for a minute.
All
That
right.
Function
All
does
right.
not, that function does not include.
Include the private schools and the
No.
aided schools.
No, I'm going ahead. It does not include of passing a minute for appointing
right.
a teacher.
Okay.
Whatever functions are there are
We can
mentioned.
vote, huh?
Number
All right,
3.
noted. Please take down.
Number 3.
And
Lord, 2 minutes.
council appearing for
Lord,
the
2 minutes.
petitioner also heard Mr.
Lord, 2 minutes at least. I may be.
Advocate General.
I'm sorry,
So,
Lord.
the parties have elaborately argued and concluded the arguments. They
Lord,
have also submitted written notes and briefs in the matter. which has been taken on record. Matter is posted on Tuesday at 2 o'clock for delivery of
Or
judgment.
at least for my
Yes.
satisfaction, let's
Yes.
go 2 minutes.
Mr. Dubey, na?
Day, my lord.
Mr. Day,
IA, my lord,
I would request you, since you are the petitioner's counsel,
Hello.
kindly just, if you
Arrange it.
can, just arrange the papers.
Hello.
You know, because too much of papers are there, because, and your side has also given 3 notes till now, correct? This is the 3rd note. So just put them in sequence so that, you know, the papers are not confusing. And your note should come by the end of the day today.
Only for my satisfaction, can you allow me those 2 minutes, my lord?
Yes, I have heard you. Your notice here, Mr.
No, my lord.
Kalra. Enough
This
is
is-
enough now.
this
Third,
is 60 more
the
seconds.
3rd note, right?
My lord.
Third note. Just 60 more seconds, my lord, can be done.
Yes, next matter.
My lord, I have.
Very well.
Please give your appearances.
My lord,
Mr. Day, please kindly look into these papers, huh?
My
Very
lord,
well.
IA, my lord, that, my lord, I will.
The, yes.
That number will be, my lord.
All right. It is Mr. Kalra submits that an I has been filed. However, the same is not I, sir. Oh, then you put that I together. That IA was what, Mr. Day?
My lord, it was for the vacation, it's basically for the alteration of the entry model, my
All
lord,
right,
the entry
all right.
model, my lord.
All right, done.
For that.
Hey, FL Hassan here. Okay, Dhora. Looking now.
I put in the note, my lord, the notices which themselves say that UDICE is not mandatory. Please go through that. I'm not arguing. Please go through that, my lord.
Mr. Kalra, are you suggesting that the court shall not look into the note and pass a judgment?
No, no, my lord. I'm just
So then,
requesting.
if it is in the note, then
Very
why
well.
are you insisting so much?
Very
I have
well.
taken the notes on record.
Very
What
well.
more guarantees do you need from this court?
No guarantee at all, my lord. I didn't go.
My lord, we have.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, I'll take care.
Yes, next matter.
Item number 54. May I please, your lordship?
Just 1 second, Mr. Baru. Click on file 2. একটু বন্ধ করে দে।
প্ৰিন্সিপাল এখন লাগিব, প্ৰিন্সিপাল নাই এখন আহিছে প্ৰিন্সিপালটো বুলি কয় প্ৰিজাম্পশ্যন ড্ৰ কৰি থৈছে প্ৰিজাম্পশ্যন ড্ৰ কৰিছে সেইটো প্ৰব্লেম সেইটো কাৰণে প্ৰব্লেম না সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্ট জাজমেণ্ট প্ৰিজাম্পশ্যন ড্ৰ কৰিলে তাৰ চিগনেচাৰ ভেৰিফাই কৰিব পাৰে সেইটো ইছ্যু কৰিলে কিন্তু ভেৰিফাই প্ৰিজাম্পশ্যন ডাষ্টি লৈ লওঁ সেইটোৱে অন্য সকলে
Yes.
Lordship, due permission, may I narrate the story little of the facts of the
Huh?
case?
Huh?
I want to little bit narrate the facts of the case.
Narrate what story?
The story
said
type,
story.
facts of the case.
Huh?
My lord, sorry, facts of the case.
This
What
is-
happened, my lord?
No, first, what is this issue?
Issue is today, yesterday, they have filed me affidavit opposition by Director of Higher Education. But here, my lord, affidavit will be required from the principal concerned after going to the affidavit in
Who is
opposition.
the concerned person who has to give the affidavit?
Affidavit, that all along it was, direction was given to director. It would have been
Who
director.
is appearing for that?
Director.
We have already filed it.
Yesterday we have filed, after going to
Now the
affidavit
principal of-
opposition, my submission is this way, after going to the affidavit opposition, it is, I have found that this affidavit will be required from the concerned principal because
Is the principal a party or not?
yeah, principal is
Who
party.
is appearing for the principal?
Problem is this one, my lord. Presumption was done under provision of order rule 9(5) of
Against
CPC.
the principal.
Principal and governing
Can you
body.
take fresh steps then?
That's why, my lord.
All right.
Justice service and along with this affidavit also may be
Mr.
allowed to.
C.K.S. Barua,
See, Borua.
C. Barua, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that upon going through the affidavit in opposition filed
By
on
the
behalf
respondent number
of
4.
Director of Higher Education.
respondent number 4, the presence, the stand of the respondent number 5 and 6 have become essential and necessary. However, since despite service, there was no representation on behalf of the aforesaid two respondents, this quote by
Office order, my lord, that
Huh?
was.
not
Office
quote,
order,
then don't say this quote.
office order.
Presumption as regards their note, as regards service of notice was drawn by the Lawazima court.
My lord.
He, however, he seeks another, he seeks fresh notice. He seeks liberty to take fresh steps by Dusty against the aforesaid two respondents. Prayer is allowed, relist on such and such date,
My lord, only.
and file affidavit of service.
No, that, obligation.
Highly.
24.
Yes.
Please, your lordship, my lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner was not given the pensionary benefit, my lord. Because he has approached this honorable court, my lord.
Mr. Nayak, affidavits filed, right?
Yes, lordship, today morning
Today filed.
yes, we have already furnished copy to him. Like, yesterday.
I think it has not come.
Yes, probably it is. Copy this way.
So we'll have it.
This copy, my lord.
Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel, appearing for the
Irrigation department.
Learned Additional Advocate General, appearing for the Irrigation Department, submits that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the Irrigation Department has been filed today. Mr. So-and-so submit that a copy of the same has also been served upon him. Huh?
Yes, if not, lordship, in the meantime, it will be. We are
However,
going to file this.
the same is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record. Relist when? On such and such date. You please give him a copy, huh?
Yes. Lordship, def. 17 October.
Yeah,
Hello, can I please write your 24-month corridor.
yes.
Obliged, lordship. Obliged.
Is the lordship. My lord, this is regarding incremental benefit, my lord. Incremental benefit has not been provided from my date of initial appointment.
What benefits?
Incremental benefit.
My lord, I may be allowed time for filing affidavit, my lord.
As prayed for by MS DS Neog.
Yes, your lord.
Learned Standing Council Irrigation, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the Irrigation Department file return in the matter.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Case petitioner, my lord, facing 3 years ban, my lord, from appearing, my lord, in Central Armed Police Forces. My lord, because of my lord, they filed, my lord, 2 application, one in EW.
Yes, affidavit. Ms. Parwa?
Yes, in item number 58,
Hmm.
WPC 349,
Hmm.
public 25, we have filed our affidavit.
Hmm.
And
But no, I have not received any copy.
You give him a copy then. Anyway, Ms. Barwa, you
Yes,
have
sir.
filed in which one? 349?
349.
And the same will
Public
cover
25.
3766.
Yes, no lordship, in 349/25.
You have filed.
I have filed.
And what
other-
about 3766?
No, they're not needed to file affidavit. This,
All right.
affidavit
Now
is
you
up.
give the copy also to Mr. Chauhan. Heard Mr. S. Chauhan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner in both the petition,
My lord.
in both the writ petitioner, so and so, so and so. MS Barwan, Learned so and so submits that an affidavit in opposition has been filed in WPC 349/2025. However, Mr. S. Chauhan submits that a copy of the same has not been furnished to him. Let a copy of the so and so be furnished to Mr. S. Chauhan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. She further submits that the said affidavit shall also cover the case in WPC 3766 of 2025.
Yes.
Relist after 1 week on a date to be fixed. by the
Let it
registry.
there, maybe.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
Lordship. Lordship.
Why is this for orders, instruction?
My lord, in this, my lord, I'd like to file my affidavit to bring on record, my lord, the compliance from our end, my lord.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel appearing for the new incumbent.
New incumbent. my lord.
New incumbent, stroke respondent, contender number 4, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said respondent file affidavit in the matter.
Great, my lord.
Instructions. Yes, contemner.
As per last order, the secretary has issued the necessary instruction to the director as per views of the finance
That's
department.
all right, but those instructions are not before the court. You are supposed to, yes,
My lord, in this regard, we will file our affidavit, my lord.
yes. Let them file, Mr. Soikia.
Just a minute, my lord. Order dated 29/7/25 may be seen.
2020?
29/7
Yes, Mr. Saikia.
is my lord. Second para. This contribution is filed alleging willful and deliberate violation of the court's order.
All right, Mr. Saikia, they want to file their affidavit, we will examine. If they,
Today, my lord was fixed for, my lord, on the last occasion.
no, I have seen thereafter 2-3 dates have
My
gone.
lord, 11/9/20.
Shall obtain necessary instructions and apprise this court about the same. So he's saying that he's going to file an affidavit, so last chance. Otherwise, I'm going to direct personally.
My lord, is there
Heard Mr. R.C. Saikia, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. J.P. Barwa, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
U Sharma,
U. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the contemner.
number 2.
Number 2. Stop. It appears that by order dated 29/7/2025, this court apt to refer to the relevant portion of the order dated 29/7/2025, which read as under para 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 likhi diba, huh? And 7.
And the order dated 11/9 may be seen. Order dated 11/9.
It appears that the submission, based on the submission of the learned counsel appearing for the contemner stroke respondents, that certain formalities are left to be done in order to comply the order passed by this court. The matter was deferred by 2 weeks. Thereafter, it appears that the matter came up before this court on 28/8/2025. On which date the learned counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contenders submitted as per instruction received that the finance department has conveyed its concurrence regarding the proposal of ex post facto approval of retention and normalization of the post of Hindi teacher being held. The petitioner, while serving in Padum Kuari Balika High School, Kamrup district, by endorsement dated 22/8/2025 in e-file E266558, and that the department post reopening of the office on 26th August 2025 has taken up the matter and is in process to communicate the direction to the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, for taking steps as per the orders of this court. In view of the aforesaid specific categorical instruction, which has also been taken on record and marked as Y, the matter was further deferred to 11/9/2025. It further appears that on 11/9/2025, when the matter was called, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contemner further took time to obtain instructions as to produce the up-to-date status of e-file number so and so before this court. Today also, when the matter is called, Mr. So and so seeks further time. It appears that the up-to-date status, this court hesitatingly allows the prayer made by the respondent, stroke contempt. However, it is made clear that if the instructions as called for earlier by this court is not made available by the next date of listing, the concerned respondent stroke contemner shall be personally present in the court. Relist on such and such date. Give a date. You choose the date. Give a date.
Yes, ma'am. After 3 weeks, my lord. After 2 weeks, my lord, vacation will start.
After the vacation will start in the next week only, Mr. Saikya. It will come after the vacation.
My lord, 23.
23rd.
23 of
Instruction affidavit for the. You file the affidavit. I'm saying instruction stroke affidavit. You
Yes.
bring it in an affidavit. If
Instruction-
it is complied and there is no dispute, then it is all right. Otherwise, you bring your affidavit. I'm telling you.
Yes, yes, we will find out.
41.
Well, after issuance of notice, this matter may come.
First time.
First time.
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
PK Varamal,
So and so, learned counsel appearing for the contemner.
sole contempt.
Sole contemner relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said contemner file return in the matter.
Obliged.
Don't say to file return, to response to the show cause notice issued in the contempt proceeding. Sorry, contempt proceedings were sorting it for you. Yes, please.
Lordship, this is contempt petition. I am appearing for the respondent number 5, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, provisional pension has been issued, my lord. My lord, we are facing a problem, my lord. The PP order issued in 2023, my lord. But there is some dues by the petitioner to the school management committee, my lord. Therefore, they have not issued the
Where
NOC,
is
my
the
lord.
response to the show cause notice issued?
My lord.
Where is your response to the show cause notice issued in the
My lord,
contempt proceeding?
My lord, I'll file, my lord. Within
So
a week, I'll
please
file. my lord.
ask for that if you want. Otherwise, I'll
lord.
start applying my mind.
My lord.
As prayed for by Mr.
Peace, I guess.
So and so learned counsel appearing for the contemner sole.
No, my lord. Contender number 5, my lord.
Contemner number 5, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said contemner file response in terms of the show cause notice received in the contempt proceedings.
Much obliged.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter may come up after Puja vacation, any date, Lordship.
As prayed for, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, 13 or 14 October.
You said any date, it will come now any date.
Not Lordship, 13 or 14 Lordship.
It will come any date. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, this is for.
Lordship, we have filed our
You have?
we have filed our Okalma today, Lordship.
It's a contempt matter.
Is a contempt matter, Lordship.
Uh,
First.
Heard
Correspondent number 1.
Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.M.T. Shistel, learned standing counsel.
Correspondent 1.
You have filed earlier also? Oh, earlier you said you may.
Yeah, yes, Lordship. We have filed.
For respondents to contender number 1. And who is appearing for the other contemners? R.M. Barwa for 4. A. Chalia for
Respondent number 4.
respondent number 4. What about 2, 3, and 5?
My lord, what happens, my lord, is that
No one is there today.
1,
Anyway,
2,
none
3, and
appears for respondents to
2
contender
and 3,
numbers.
we are getting Lordship. Lordship, Okalma is on the way, Lordship.
No, for 2, 3,
Two.
and 4. Are you appearing?
Four I am appearing. Four he is appearing. 2 and 3.
তুমি কার কার লড়ো? Just stay for
1, 2 and 3 Lordship may kindly leave it. I will file it.
1, 2 and 3.
1 I have filed, 2 and 3 I will file Lordship.
All right, তুমি কোৱা for 1 আৰু 5 কোৱা. And what about 4?
4 I am appearing Lordship.
Sorry, 5?
5 is an autonomous council Lordship. It's an Sangat.
In fact, what had happened, my lord, was notices were not completed as per the office note on the last occasion. So I had submitted an extra copy to my learned senior friend on behalf of 1, 2, 3, and 5. I think, my lord,
5 I cannot because it is an autonomous institution.
Fresh.
So it will have to be.
fresh.
But none appears for respondents number
5.
5. একেটা গোটেইকেইটাই দি দিয়া. 1, 2, 3.
It was autonomous.
4, 2, 3. Mr. Sister submits that though the power in respect of respondent number stroke corner number 1 has been filed today, however, he shall file the power in respect of respondent stroke corner number 2 and 3 within
Next week.
a week from today. Since there is no representation on behalf of respondent colonel number 5, Mr. M. Sharma seeks liberty to take fresh steps by registrant most AD against so and so. Prayer is allowed. Let the remaining contemners stroke respondents in the meantime file their respective responses to the show cause notice received in the contempt proceedings. Released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Maybe as the last office note, no, neither ID card, no answer.
Await service. Yes, 2 weeks, 2 weeks.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, by office note dated 16/9/25, service is awaited.
Service awaited, Mr. Mahanta?
Yes.
Await service.
Please.
Yes. Mr. Mahanta, why were you carrying the piece of paper for a await service?
Lordship, I was not carrying the file.
Remember that date?
Yes.
Yes. That shows the dedication of the young bar. Yes.
My lord, in this case, IOC, my lord, required some, my lord, the non-technical executives, my lord, and the petitioner applied, my lord, online.
This is item number?
59, my lord.
Why is it for order?
Till it is ready for admission, my lord, I think.
No, but it has come by order and that
Yes, my
also
lord,
is
I
order.
think somebody has mentioned, my lord, but I don't know.
What about 1, 2, 3 has been issued recently as such await service for 1, 2, 3? What happened to 1, 2, 3?
They, my lord, at 1, 2, 3, they filed affidavit also, my lord.
Who's appearing for 1, 2, 3? This is item number 59 in the supplementary orders.
1 and 2, my lord, already filed.
WPC, not a contempt.
Yes, right. 1 and 2, my lord, already filed affidavit, my lord.
1 and 2 has filed, right?
Yes, my lord. 3 is also, my lord, the.
Huh?
IOC.
Who is appearing? Mr. Dekka, you are appearing. Mr. Dekka,
This is, my lord, exactly similar to the one your lordship has disposed of the other day. That boiler operator certificate not annexed. This Himanshu Pathak is exactly the same.
is it?
Yes.
We'll have it at 2 o'clock then?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
You give them a copy.
I'll give him a copy.
I've already disposed of.
But my lord, my case is, my lord.
Yeah, have a look at it.
Yes, yes.
If it is the same.
There are
then-
3 cases today, my lord. One has been passed over for the time being, item number 31.
Because you are not here.
Yes, my lord. I was in another court, my lord.
No, passed over for the day or time being.
Time being.
So then we'll take all of.
All of at 2 o'clock, my lord.
Mr. Dekka, give us the the
Yes,
number.
item number 31, 59 and 60.
3 of them, huh? Hey, order to Uliai lock.
I have a copy.
You have a copy?
I have a copy. What yes, sir. Obliged.
Yeah, is the because the other councils are here in the
No,
other. They are
I'll
not
try
here.
and inform.
So you just inform, then we'll
I'll
take
try.
it up at 2 o'clock, huh?
I'm sorry, my lord, I was on next one.
No problem, Mr. Das.
But basically, it's a very limited issue, my lord. But in the year 2015, the petitioner was appointed in the post of peon, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, after serving for 7 years, my lord, he made a representation that by that time he had already a graduate degree plus some diploma certificate, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, they prepared a gradation list. Now, lords will kindly see
This
page
is
number
admission,
admission, my lord.
affidavit.
Pleadings
75.
completed. Pleadings completed.
Yes.
Page number
It's
30.
the post of peon.
Peon. Page number 38, my lord. At serial number 88. So, in the gradation list, my lord, his educational qualification, that is BA, was mentioned.
38.
38.
Yes.
Serial number
Number
88.
88.
Educational.
Surat Jaman.
Yes. Educational qualification, my lord, BA is mentioned, but his computer diploma has not been reflected, my lord.
Education qualification.
BA.
Huh?
BA. Perhaps it's not distinct.
Why? It's not legible now. I do not understand how come nowadays
My lord.
these are being allowed. There is a checklist. He just has to be
Well, I'll
legible.
file a type copy then, my lord. Yes.
Casually, they are now checking the list of the papers.
Well, I'll file a type copy, my lord.
Mr. Dhar,
My lord.
remember
Yes,
that?
yes, my lord.
Huh?
Oh,
He was to be made
And-
lined
and-
up in the
yes,
filing
yes.
section. One original document, it is to be pulled out like this. What is that?
it was compulsory for us to
Yes.
make a type copy.
How to read this document? I can't even, the B, whatever you are saying is not even there. It's completely blank, that column.
Otherwise, even my lord, we have agreed,
Hey, put your,
we have agreed
yeah.
that it is BA, my lord.
take it down. Heard Mr. S. Das, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, learned standing
Standing council, my lord.
standing counsel,
Handloom textile, my lord.
handloom textiles. You have so many titles, I forget which department, so you have to tell me.
My lord.
It appears that the document at page 38 is not legible. No, even Mr. Das, all this entire, this is a part of what series?
My lord, the gradation list, my lord.
It appears that the annexure 10, this is part of annexure 10? Yes.
My lord.
I.e. the final graduation list. There are
10
illegible copies. Let fresh copy be placed before the registry for doing the needful. The registry is further directed to recheck and make sure that all the pages are legible in the records. Relist stuff. They did the on reopening. Yes, next.
Highly obliged.
Okay. Yeah, he said. no.
Was it 49? Was it now after vacation? Was it some report, some verification report regarding PhD.
Heard Mr.
As Bhuya.
L. Sangam.
Huh?
L. Sangam.
So, sorry.
Mr. Lenso.
So and so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Das, na?
As Bhuya.
As Bhuya learned standing counsel,
I
higher
did so.
education.
All that.
Stop. Mr. So and so submits that in terms of the last order dated 4/9/2025, the verification of the PhD degree obtained by the petitioner though was placed before the screening committee in its meeting held on 19/8/2025. However, the report of the committee is still awaited. In support of the aforesaid submission, he places the instruction dated. Where is the date of the instruction? Your instructions nowadays don't have the dates.
Very unfortunate, Lordship.
Very unfortunate.
I'll listen to them, Lordship.
Will you please instruct?
Yes, definitely.
Instruction received from
Today,
the Office of the Joint Director of Higher Education Assam, Kailipara, Guwahati. A copy of the same is taken on record and marked as A.
Yes.
Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much. I will end them.
All right.
Time being item number 33.
This is different.
Yes, it is at 2 fixed.
The affidavit is filed or not filed?
Affidavit they have filed today, but there is nothing in the affidavit.
They are filed. It's not come on record. Heard Mr. I.S. Aikya, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Who is there for the other side? Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel appearing for the, and also heard Mr. So-and-so. It is submitted at the bar that the affidavit in opposition has been filed today. However, the same is not available on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record. Relist
Monday, my lord.
Wednesday. Yes.
I'm not going to file any reply, my lord.
We'll see on Wednesday.
Suspension was only in the month of March, lordship. So we are still within 6 months period, lord.
Well, in that case, I'll dismiss it on that day, following that last decision of this court,
Yesterday, day before yesterday, your lord.
that OM
Yes.
4th, if that is applicable. Very well. If Mr. Saikia wants to take the risk without filing a reply, that is Mr. Saikia's call.
Lord.
Yes.
Lord. Okay. Time being item 31.
How many of the items are there total?
31, 59 and 60.
31,
59
59
60.
and 60. Now first 31.
31 maybe later taken up later on first 15 because this is a different one. They are the similar one.
Okay. All right. Which one you want first?
Got no issues, my lord. No.
No, they are suggesting.
No,
Which
no,
one is yours?
My 59, my lord.
59. Give me 59. 59 is same.
My lord,
That endorsement.
otherwise same, my lord, but best effects are different, my lord, in that the lordship judgment, my lord.
And here probably you are not an ST.
No, my lord. No, that apart, my lord.
And is it endorsement? I have the
Yes,
judgment.
yes,
I have.
yes, my lord.
Your that academic. What was it?
My lord,
Boiler competency.
boiler attendance certificate.
Boiler attendant. Second class boiler competency certificate.
Yes.
My lord, in the other case.
Apprenticeship certificate.
My lord.
Yes. Now here also you had come to know only when you were not
Yes, my
shortlisted,
lord. Only
isn't
on
it?
third, no, my lord, when they send the my lord link.
Hmm.
Otherwise, my lord, they were supposed to send the link, my lord.
So in that link, your name was not there because you were not shortlisted. So that is time you came to know that because of this.
My lord.
And whether you have subsequently attained it or not,
No,
this
my lord,
certificate.
but because my lord, on that very day, that SPPT interview was there. So I have no occasion.
No, you had, Mr. Counsel, you're not following the question.
My lord.
Do you now have this certificate or not?
Yes.
But
At that time also, my lord,
you
I
had
have.
it, but you did
And
not upload.
No, I uploaded, my lord. My stand is that my lord, I uploaded, my lord. But since the endorsement is on the back side of the page, perhaps, my lord, they forget to, or they have missed to see it, my lord. That is my case. My lord.
No, specific stand. My specific stand is that in fact he has not uploaded the certificate. He has uploaded the apprenticeship which he had done in the Indian Oil Corporation.
Which para?
Para 9, page 70.
Para 9.
Para 9.
Page?
70, running page.
Oh, 70. I was taking 17. Yes.
Fifth line from the bottom.
Yes.
The petitioner did not upload the National Apprenticeship Certificate in boiler attendant with the required endorsement of the competent boiler authority of the state, which is equivalent to the second class boiler attendant certificate of competency. Instead, the petitioner had uploaded the apprenticeship completion certificate issued by IOCL Guwahati Refinery, which does not have the required endorsement from the boiler authority of Assam, nor is the same the required certificate.
Okay.
It is something like this, my lord. I have passed out from a school. The school issues
All
a
right.
certificate.
Sorry.
No, my lord, page 6 of my petition, para 5.
That's all right. They have already said it. We'll have to go by that. What can be done now? This is a writ court. It will be a disputed question of fact now to say that you had uploaded the certificate, the backside is not there. How will the writ court go into all this, Mr. Counsel?
Agree, my lord. But my lord, lordship has held that the terms and conditions will prevail, my lord. So,
Terms and conditions
yes,
will prevail,
yes, my lord,
provided you have
no.
given the certificate.
Yes, I have given the, my lord, then this, my lord, this condition will also apply to the respondent, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, lordship, have a look at page 30.
Para 6, yes.
Para 6, my lord.
You wanted me to see para 6?
Para 5, my lord, page 6.
Yes, I have para 5
Yes, my
also.
lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
The petitioner on being came to know applied for the post of junior engineering assistant such and such under the and he had applied for the OBC category and submitted all the required documents and on being satisfied.
All
with
right.
this- Yes.
Yes.
So I have submitted all.
All right. Noted.
Yes.
Anything more?
Anything more, my lord? And my lord, para 7, my lord, page 8. Page 7, para 8, my lord.
All right. Email at about downloading. Very well.
My lord.
The petitioner downloaded the same and came to know.
On
Okay.
the, my lord, just, my lord.
Yes, I've read it. Yes.
My lord, my certificate on the backside, it was endorsed, my lord. My stand is that on the backside.
Where did you say it is at the back side?
My lord, para 8, my lord. May read it, my lord. From the last 5 line, my lord.
Which line? Backside? And it appears that this one, huh?
My lord, as the apprenticeship certificate submitted by the petition had been duly endorsed by the chairman, boiler attendance examination.
Where are you reading?
My lord, page 7.
Yes, para 8.
Last, para 8, last paragraph. Last few lines, my lord.
Last few lines.
My lord.
SD. Okay.
Endorsed by the chairman, boiler attendant examination board Assam on the back side of the said apprenticeship certificate itself, and it appears that the respondent have failed to consider the same either
Okay.
due to oversight.
And this certificate is annexed at page?
Yes, my lord, at page 19 and 20, my lord. Page 19 is the front page, my lord, and page 20 is the, my lord, back side portion. Page 20 of my writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
My lord will see.
Okay, I've seen it.
My lord,
Endorsement is there.
Yes, my lord. This endorsement, my lord, dated 4/10/2021, my lord. So there is no reason why I will not upload that.
All right, Mr. Deka, that you have said that the certificate was something else. This page 19 is
Not uploaded.
this is what that stand is, no?
That is
Yes.
No, my lord, page 9.
This is the stand. I'm only
Yes.
appreciating the stand. I'm trying to understand. Okay.
My lord, just a few minutes.
Yes.
My lord, page 34.
Page?
34.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, page 34 relates to, my lord, the selection methodology, my lord.
Yes, I've already held all this.
Yes,
You
my
see,
lord. No, my lord.
See, the difficulty is that
my lord, close
this court has already looked into
My
all
lord,
this and have rendered a judgment.
only close.
Sadly, that had gone against you. Yes, your facts have been taken note of. Let me apply my mind.
My lord, just
Yes.
my lord, close D only.
Yes.
Close D, perhaps, my lord.
Yes, selection methodology. Yes.
My lord, close D only, my lord.
I have seen, I'll quote it in the judgment, not to worry, because it says that if initially once you upload everything, they will call you for the CBT,
Yes.
and then they will shortlist you. After that, they will verify, and if all the documents required are there, Then finally, they will call you for that SBT or whatever it is called.
SPPT.
Yes.
No, my lord, there was in between, there was something, my lord, that is during
Yes.
objection handling process, my lord.
Yes, yes. Where is that?
Close D, page
Yes.
34, my lord. Where it-
Okay. Answer keys.
My lord, once, my lord, they were supposed to give the answer key within 2-3 days of the, my lord, this.
Okay.
But they have given on the, my lord, after 4 months, my lord. And on the date, my lord, when this SPPT was held.
All right, fine. All right, Mr. U. Agarwal.
I'm JC Gord.
JC
Gord.
Board, na?
Gord.
B.
G.
Gord, sorry. JC Gord, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard CGC, anyone? MS. No, CGC? Is CGC 4? No CGC. Who is appearing? Mr. N. Dekha, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Within bracket, you are within bracket, just give that respondent name within
Indian Oil
bracket.
Corporation, Guwahati Refinery.
So and so. And MSU Sharma, Learned Government Council for respondent number? For respondent number 4. None appears for respondent number 1. Anybody else?
No.
1 on call.
Not for 2 and 3. No, IUC is the one.
By way of this petition and
That is IOCL, my lord, not Union of India. I'm appealing for 1, 2 and 3.
Union is not a part.
Okay.
1, 2 and 3.
By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner inter alia is assailing the provisional list of shortlisted candidate dated same, dated 16/12/2024, to the extent it excludes the petitioner from appearing in the skill stroke proficiency stroke physical test, hereinafter referred to as the SPPT, in connection with the selection for appointment to the post of junior engineering.
Yes.
Junior Engineering Assistant 4 within bracket PNU. The brief facts of the case are that on 27/2024, an advertisement was issued for recruit. Parat 4 to sub thakibo. This second part is not required because you are not an ST, no?
No, my lord, I am OBC now.
And how many posts reserved?
OBC for approximately 3 posts.
Amongst this 3 posts. 3 posts was reserved for OBC category in the Guwahati region, Guwahati region along with the other positions. Okay? Para 5, the petitioner belonging to the
OBC.
Where do I get that in the petition?
My lord, para 2 of my petition, my lord. Para 1 of my petition. Also need the certificate also. OBC.
No, you must have said it somewhere.
Paragraph 1 of my petition, my lord.
Annexure A.
Annexure A, page 18.
Okay, otherwise you simply say like this. The petitioner belonging to OBC, recognized OBC class, comma, accordingly applied for the post of Junior Engineering Assistant for PNU. 3 as para 6 remains the same. Para 7 remains the same. Para 8 so on 3.1 only you have come to know. So para 8 also remains the same, and this is also the same apprenticeship certificate submitted. That is the remark. Para 9 remains the same. Para 10. Mr. Gordon, I'm to divide here, so and so's. And para 10 also remains same. In para 11, there is going to be a change. He further submits that the requisite apprenticeship certificate was duly submitted by the petitioner, and the same has been duly endorsed by the chairman stroke boiler attendant examination board Assam on the backside of the said apprenticeship certificate and the respondents have failed to consider the same either due to oversight or otherwise. And as such, the exclusion of the petitioner from being shortlisted for SBBT is illegal and void ab initio. Stop. Per contra, paragraph 12, but I'm going to say this again. And Mr. N. Dekar, Learned Counsel for the respondent numbers 1, 2 and 3 submits that the petitioner having not uploaded the requisite requisite certificate, apprenticeship, boiler apprenticeship certificate as required under the terms of the advertisement, his candidature has been rightly rejected. He further submits that the petitioner did not upload the National Apprenticeship Certificate in Boiler Attendant with the required endorsement of the competent boiler authority of the state, which is equivalent to the second-class Boiler Attendant Certificate of Competency. Instead, the petitioner had uploaded the Apprenticeship Completion Certificate issued by IOCL, Guwahati Refinery, which does not have the required endorsement from Boiler Authority of Assam, nor is the required certificate. Stop. Paragraph 13 remains the same. Okay. Paragraph 14 remains the same. Paragraph 15 remains the same. 16 remains the same. 17 same. Pertinent that the instant that the similar issue having arisen in the case of so-and-so versus so-and-so in WPC number 99 of 2025, this court had the occasion to examine the said issue and has held as under. Paragraph 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Stop. In the present case, it appears that since the petitioner was prima facie eligible on the basis of the details furnished in the online application form, an admit card for the CBT was issued, and accordingly the petitioner appeared in the CBT on 29/9/2024, wherein he scored how much? 66 out of 100. It further appears that after the CBT test was held, upon the scrutiny and verification of the documents submitted by the petitioner, and upon finding that the boiler apprenticeship certificate and the requisite endorsement were not submitted, he was not shortlisted for SPPT. Stop. It appears that the petitioner has specifically averred as under paragraph. Yes. Take your seats, council. Paragraph 5, 6, 7, 8. However, the respondent IOCL, by filing their affidavit in opposition on 5/5/2025, categorically denies the uploading of the boiler apprenticeship certificate and the requisite endorsement as claimed by the petitioner. Paragraph 9 of the said affidavit reads as under. Para 26 to यहाँ पर लिखी हाँ. Write only the first part of the paragraph. The terms of the advertisement stipulated the production of all requisite testimonials at the stage of uploading the form in the online portal, comma, failing which the candidature would be liable for rejection. In the in the case in hand, though the petitioner has stated that the boiler apprenticeship certificate has been uploaded, however, the requisite endorsement was appeared in the backside of the said certificate, which perhaps was left out due to oversight. The said contention of the petitioner.
No, my contention is not that, man. I'm sorry, my lord. My contention is not that.
So you have said that?
No,
that
I said, my lord, that the certificate, the endorsement contained on the backside, and they may have to.
Correct, that's what I have said. I have not said anything else, Mr. God. However, it is difficult to accept the said contention inasmuch as the respondent IOCL has categorically denied the factum of uploading the apprenticeship certificate, the boiler apprenticeship certificate itself. Correct, Mr. This is what you've said because you have denied that factum itself. There arising a disputed question of fact, the same is outside the realm of this court in exercise of Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Be it as it may, it is well settled that eligibility/qualification conditions prescribed under the recruitment rules or advertisements have to be strictly complied with, and no relaxation can be granted on consideration of equity or sympathy. Stop. In view of the above, I am of the clear view that the petitioner has failed to make out any case whatsoever warranting the relief sought for in the instant petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Hence, the writ petition being devoid of merit stands dismissed. No order as to cost. Any interim was there? Interim order passed earlier accordingly stands vacated. Yes, next case.
Obliged.
Yes. What are the facts here?
51, item 60. 60.
Who's appearing in 60?
Here, my lord, in fact, the candidates were not I mean, they were eligible. They participated in everything, but they secured less marks. My specific stand in the affidavit is that the person who was selected got higher marks than them.
But he is not here
But
today.
he's not.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. N. Deka, Corridible, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
31.
Yes. There are two judgments already running against you. So, be fair to the court. There is anything specific, you please show, which distinguishes your case, warranting a different view from this bench. Otherwise, kindly do not unnecessarily.
I'll not waste your honor.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come to page 12 of my.
Page 12.
Yes.
Yes.
Kindly see para 2, prayer number 2.
Yes.
A writ in the nature of mandamus shall not be issued directing the respondent authorities to rectify their mistake.
Not rectify, to call the petitioners.
No. Prayer number 2, Roman 2.
Oh, sorry.
At page 12.
Sorry, I was reading para 1. Sorry.
My lord.
To rectify their mistake.
As appeared in the final certificate of proficiency dated 9/8/24, Vide Annexure 4, 5 and 6.
What is it? I have
That
not
got
understood.
Kindly come to Annexure 4, 5 and 6. Kindly Annexure 4 is at page number 19. ये तो boiler की है
Apprenticeship.
boiler है ना Kindly see page 19, my lord. Annexure 4.
19. Just one thing, Mr. Deka, that certificate is boiler attendant certificate or boiler apprenticeship certificate?
Apprenticeship certificate is given. It is endorsed by the boiler authority, certifying that it is equivalent.
He too monot thoba, huh?
Force is boiler
No,
attendant.
because I think we have said the same thing only. Yes, Mr. Counsel, your name?
F. Khan. Firoz Khan. Yes.
Mr. Khan, yes.
My lord, kindly come to page 19.
I am in 19, Mr.
Kindly
Khan.
see the subject field of Bachelor of Science BSc.
Yes.
This is issued by the respondent 1 and 2.
Yes, that
Who
is the
have
boiler
conducted-
authority.
No, the IOCL.
IOCL.
Who have conducted the interview? Who is doing the selection? It is the same authority, my lord. I have done under them. They have written in my certificate that it is Bachelor of Science. Whereas the course undertaken by me was boiler attendant. They have done a mistake here while issuing my certificate. Out of nowhere, they know how they did it. They are liable to answer to this court. They have
So
done
you
this-
mean to say you were actually pursuing a boiler attendant course, but because they inadvertently gave a certificate where they mentioned Bachelor of Science instead of boiler attendant.
Yes, my lord. Wrong done by them.
Now, when
Kindly
was
come
this
to
done?
Page 16.
No,
Kindly come-
when was the certificate issued? Date?
The date to call. My lord, it is at the bottom 9/8/2024.
9/8.
2024.
And you received this when? And where did you raise a grievance against this?
Yes,
immediately?
grievance-
Where is that?
Kindly come to page number 68.
68.
This is the petition number 1. I have 3 applications, 3 representation at Annexure 15.
And 3 same.
3 petitioners are before your lordship. in this
Correct,
state
but
petition.
in the 3 cases, the same mistake.
BSc, whereas it should have been boiler attendant.
Okay.
Now,
Yes,
my lord, page
representation, Mr. Khan.
68, page number 68, Annexure 15.
68. Yes, Mr. Khan.
Sir, I am Ankur Das, so and so, an ex-apprenticeship
All
trainee
right, I've
boiler,
seen. This is
so-and-so.
dated 29/10/24.
Yes.
So this was immediately after, almost immediately, 9/8, and this is.
Yes.
Okay.
Para 2, I am writing to bring to your attention the issue
That's
regarding.
right, Mr. Khan. I've understood. Now, what is their stand?
My lord, their stand is that due to some technical error, it has happened.
They're admitting it.
Yes, it is admitted position. Now, my lord, the
Mr. Daka, are you admitting this?
No, let him complete.
No, I am just trying to understand because if
First
this,
and foremost, my lord, the wrong submission has been.
you see, Mr. Deka, if this case is distinguishable, then I shall have it on another date to examine if it needs further examination.
Difficulty is
That
that
is
there are
why.
interim orders operating, my lord. We are not
No,
being able
but
to.
this looks there is a mistake because
No, my lord, no, my lord. That, because my learned friend is submitting that mistake is on my part. Lordship, will kindly look at the certificate. Who
no,
is
no, no, no. The question here is, first of all, the question is what was the course that the petitioner was pursuing?
They have done the boiler operator. We have not rejected because of that.
So then,
Issue remains that the certificate, the proficiency is not there.
to know, but they have done that test.
Exactly like the other cases, my lord. The other cases also they have done it.
No, no. You see, the other cases
Lordship,
has a
kindly-
distinguishable
Kindly,
factor because you
kindly
see,
come to page 19.
it was their mistake because they did not upload that certificate.
Follow.
Now here there is a certificate
Lordship, will
which
kindly bear
says
with me.
bachelor of something instead
Lordship-
of that.
Lordship will bear with me. Come to 19, my lord.
Page
19.
19.
One. Because the submission has been made that it has been issued by me.
It's issued by whom?
It is issued by the Training Center, Ministry of Education, not by me, my lord.
Anyway, this will be after the vacation. I'm sorry. Relist after, give a date. You want any date or after
Yes,
2
a
weeks?
date, and my lord, we want to bring one document through an additional affidavit.
You bring that.
Definitely.
Mr. F. Khan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, seeks liberty of this court to bring one document which has a bearing in the subject matter of the writ petition on record. Prayer is allowed. Let a copy of the additional affidavit be also furnished to the respondents in advance. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Can it be on 28th of October?
A date may kindly be given, my lord.
28th of
My
October.
lord is hurt, my lord.
It's that.
Stapler, yes.
Yes, Mr. Decker?
28.
On such and such date.
My lord may kindly replace one with few documents. Few documents. My
No,
lord,
no, I don't know what, but then you say he may, you might have to, we don't know what documents he
Few
wants to
documents.
bring.
no, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Decker? He wants to bring documents.
He has already filed his reply affidavit.
No. Few documents.
Are you objecting to the
I'm
prayer?
not objecting, at least I should also be given a chance to
Okay,
rebut.
that's why I said
Yes.
that additional
Yeah, yeah.
affidavit to you. With few documents, and then you say additional affidavit. In the event such documents are brought on record, the respondents are also at liberty, if so advised, to file rebuttal to the same.
My lord.
28th. my lord.
Grateful, my lord.
Yes.
All right.
You too, yeah. Very good, sir.